Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get these anime style filters on Instagram. So these are the filter. This is the first one. You can tap on the screen and different outlines are there. Okay, and this is the second one. You can choose different eye style. Okay, so to get this filter you can visit the creator profile. Mascopad is the creator of this filter. Check in his filter gallery and you will find the filter anime style. Tap on it, then you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And for the second one, for this one, you can visit the creator profile. Randy is the creator of this filter. Check in our filter gallery. He's having lots of filter. Okay, this is the filter anime style. You can tap on it and from here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can try it. And if you are not finding the filter like this, you can also visit this website. A link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. You just have to tap on the link and open it with Instagram. And likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. I'll give link to both the filter there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.